2 more tons left because she's empty. Loading her up. Alright, so load 1 is in, the storage unit is clear, and we're about to cancel it now.
Why do my ribs smell like hound dog?
See?
I'm gonna be 5 pounds lighter after this shit.
So we're done. Mostly all the big stuff's in the truck now. The porch is empty. I'm going to blow it off to get off the rest of the leaves with the debris off. Whew. Packing on gravel is not for the weak, especially when you are trying to roll an appliance dolly and a regular dolly, but we did it. Didn't really use the ramp that much. We kind of just like pushed them on a truck, but yeah, everything's in there. Got space for the mattress, and one thing didn't make it during the move. Hopefully when we unpack, nothing else is broken, knock on wood. But as we were trying to pack his weight stand, which paid a good penny for, it just broke the top part of it. So he threw it out the way of the truck so he could keep packing. So I went ahead and picked it up, the pieces, and put it on the curb. Maybe someone else will pick it up and super glue it, weld it, I don't know, fix it, find a use for it. But yeah, I can't believe that a lot of hard work in Texas, 100-degree weather, high humidity, bugs everywhere, just mosquitoes. I had to put some pants on because I looked down my legs and it was covered in mosquitoes. So yeah, gonna put the bed there tomorrow morning and my plants on the truck tomorrow because obviously they can't go there overnight, otherwise they'll burn up and die, and I don't want that to happen. I want them to make it to the new house too. So just excited to get to my new house and get started. That dresser was a behemoth. Just got the mattress to pack. I gotta work tomorrow, so my desk is still up, but I'm giving it away, so I'm putting it on the curb. So all I have to pack is my chair, my computer equipment. I gotta clean the laundry, the washer and dryer, pack the Wi-Fi up and mail it back in. That's Michael's modem. This is empty. Get these little bits. How to empty this closet. Roxy feels better because she got space now. Artwork's gonna go in the car. Yeah. And she's packed and ready to go. Safe travels, guys. Plants stay alive. So update, we still got some small loads. Hi, Roxy. But after I'm done with work today, these are the boxes that pack up the Wi-Fi to send it back to Takas. That's all clean. Got everything packed up. Everything's empty. Just gonna wash those dishes, just gonna pick it up and take them. Same thing with that, just pick it up and take it. The closet's clean. Just got some of our little supplies of paint and stuff, whatever spots we want. That's empty. All that's clean. That's empty now. That's the last bit of everything that will go into the car. So we might have to take a couple trips. We're done with the shower stuff, so I'm gonna pack all this stuff up. I already packed up most of the, only have that one shelf. Everything else I already packed up. And the mattress is gone. Just got my work desk because I'm working. Roxy got her bed because she's the baby. The truck's all closed up. He took a load in the car because he went to go get the keys. So didn't want to try to drive it all, the U-Haul in the leasing office to get the keys. So we just took the car and we decided to load the car with stuff. Since he's gonna go to the house anyway, unload. And the closet's empty. I'll do one final clean, sweep, and mop. And we'll do my own walkthrough while she's empty to have a record of it. Tonight will be my new house. I could cook dinner in my new house. Final walkthrough. One and only bedroom. The walls repaired. Baseboards all painted. Here's some snubbers. Closet. Again. Bathroom. Closed up. Hall closet. Kitchen. Kitchen closet. And living. Freezer's all clean. And the refrigerator's clean.
About what, Aunt Joe?